Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about freebies. Wouldn't you love to get great stuff? Well, then you should sign up for Pinchme. Pinchme is a company that sends you free stuff. All you have to do is write reviews for them. I'm going to put a link in the description below and you can sign up and get your free stuff. So the first two things are little deals from HelloFresh and Graze Box. So you can try it out. See if you like it. The first sample is AQUAPHOR body ointment spray. It is for rough skin. It's you shake it, you apply it, you rub it, and it's great for you. Next thing is I love coffee. I'm not a fan of this brand, but after today we will see. It is the Folgers new 1850 and I got it in the Pioneer blend. Next is what all us curly girls love, MOROCCANOIL treatment, which I'm excited to try this. There's probably one application, but it's free and I can see if I like it or not. Next is which I needed this last month for my friend's wedding because I got the worst blister in the world. Is a blister cushion from COMPEED. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong. Those are the details behind. Those are the details. And the last but not least is the RX nut butter and vanilla almond butter. I know my husband is gonna steal this from me and I'm probably not gonna get a chance to try this. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products for free. All I have to do is do a review about it, and that's all thanks to Pinchme. So again, link in the description, sign up, you can get your free samples. It's worth it. Like always, like and subscribe for more videos. Bye.